Greetings, car aficionados. Have you ever encountered the frustrating P0300 code? Well, the P0300 code is a serious issue that should not be ignored. But don't let it get you down, because we're here to help. In this video, we'll take you through the ins and outs of the P0300 code, so stay tuned. At first, let's see what does the code mean. Basically, a P0300 diagnostic code indicates a random or multiple misfire. This means that the car's computer has detected that not all of the engine's cylinders are firing properly. So, what are the symptoms of a P0300 code? Well, if you're having a hard time starting your car or it's stumbling and hesitating while you're driving, those could be signs of a misfire. You might also see the check engine light come on. Don't ignore these symptoms, because they could lead to bigger problems down the road. The P0300 code can be caused by a variety of issues within your car's engine. Here are some of the most common causes. First and foremost, faulty spark plugs or wires can cause a misfire in your engine, resulting in the P0300 code. Another common cause is a faulty ignition coil. A clogged or faulty fuel injector can also cause the P0300 code, as it can disrupt the proper flow of fuel to your engine. Other potential causes include a burned exhaust valve, faulty catalytic converters, a stuck or blocked EGR valve or passages, a faulty camshaft position sensor, or even a defective computer. So, what can you do to fix the P0300 code and get your car running smoothly again? If you're not experiencing any symptoms, you can try resetting the code and seeing if it comes back. But if you're experiencing symptoms, here are some steps you can take. First, check all wiring and connectors that lead to the cylinders. Second, check and replace any worn-out ignition components, like spark plugs, ignition coils, or wires. Third, examine the coil packs. If they're damaged or worn out, they can also cause misfires. Fourth, examine the catalytic converter and replace it if you smell rotten eggs in the exhaust. And finally, check and repair any faulty fuel injectors. So, there you have it. Some possible solutions for the P0300 code. But don't worry, you don't have to be a car expert to fix this issue if you don't want to. Just remember to take your car to a professional to diagnose the problem and determine which steps are necessary. If you want to learn more about what to do with other trouble codes, don't forget to check out the OBD Codex lookup tool. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.